Should you be saving your money? Should you invest it? Or should you do both? In today's video, we're going to be covering which to do and when. So you want to know whether to save your money or invest your money. First, let's identify what saving and investing is. When you save your money, you're putting money aside in a safe place, either in a safe or in your bank. Some pros to savings is it gives you easy access and it's safe. A few cons to saving: it doesn't grow very much interest and your buying power decreases over time due to inflation. So now investing is buying assets that gives you a future appreciation or more income to that investment. God, I love this light. Wow, that's some great light. Love that light. Pros to investing are it gains interest and your money works for you. Some of the cons to investing are you're putting your money at higher risk and it's not as easily accessible as if you had it in a savings account. So the first thing you want to look at is, do you have an emergency fund? If you don't have an emergency fund set aside, you definitely want to be saving your money. If not, and you have it set aside, then investing is okay. Number two, high interest rate credit cards. It doesn't make sense to be paying 15 to 20% on those credit cards when the market historically only returns 7 to maybe 9%. So in that case, you want to be saving your money in order to pay down those credit cards. Number three, consider your time horizon. If you're going to be buying something within 2 years, you want to be saving that money in a safe area. 3 to 5 years, it's okay if you do a little bit of a minor low-risk investment, and that way you'll gain a little bit of interest. However, as you get closer, you want to shift those investments to your savings, so that way when you go to purchase, everything's there. And if it's going to be over 5 years, then you definitely can go out and invest that money, and then as you get closer to your goal, you reallocate to more safer areas. Hey, if you guys are getting value out of this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more scenery like this, put it in the comments below and we'll definitely try to do some more videos of out here in the woods or maybe at the beach or the mountains. You let me know. Number four, consider your liquidity needs. If you're going to need that money right away, definitely save it, don't invest it. Number five, if you already have your credit cards paid off and an emergency fund established and you're looking to build wealth, then definitely investing is the way to go. At that point, you're ready to go, you can invest, and you can go for the long term and the long haul. And if you guys are looking to do both, I have a 3-account system that I'll link up above that covers all the areas of saving and investing. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Woo!